Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable the option to double tap our screen to turn it on. Right now this function is disabled. How to turn it on? We need to go to Settings, then Advanced Features, and here we have Motions and Gestures. When you go in here, we have our option. As you can see, it's turned off. Double tap on screen to turn it on. So let's turn it on and let's test it out. 1, 2, and our screen is alive after double tap. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.